In this video, we will see how to map our media folder path with this media scheduling tool. First, go to the left side menu and click Media Source. A drop-down menu will open. From here, select Local. Now, you will see the Local Libraries menu on the left side. Here, you can choose any category based on your media type. You can also create a new category by clicking the green Add Local Library button. For this video, I will select the Movies category. Now click the pencil icon on the right side. The first option is Name. From here, you can change the name of this category. For now, I will keep the default name. In Media Kind, the Movies option is selected. Now, in the Path option, we will add the folder path from our server or computer. For this video, I have a Movies folder that contains around 50 movies and episodes. Now, I will copy this folder path. Then, I will paste it into the path field. After that, click the Add Path button. Now, you can see that our path has been added successfully. To save this setting, click the green Save Local Library button. Now the tool will take some time to scan and import the media files. To check the process status, go to the left side menu and click Media. Then open the drop-down menu and click Libraries. Here, you can see the current status of the scanning process. Now, the process is complete. In the same way, you can map more folders with this media scheduling tool. Now, if we click the Movies menu, you can see that 53 media files have been added successfully.